How much do you think they're making money every month in Indonesia?
Ooh, like total? 5,000.
Less.
Really? 2,000.
$300 a month.
What?
It's crazy.
That's actually insane. That's crazy.
Average a month,
Maybe.
maybe like 3,000 to 4,000. Is it less or more?
Less.
2,000? 1,000.
No.
I'm like $20.
$300.
300? Well, then I'm assuming that everything priced there is probably a lot cheaper than here. That's interesting. I did not know that.
Okay, I got it. How much do you think we're making money every month in Indonesia?
How much money? Let's do 3,000.
3,000?
Yeah.
No.
No?
No.
2,500.
No.
How much?
$300 a month.
A month?
Yeah.
What? You're lying.
No, I'm not. It's regular workers
Regular
in
workers?
Indonesia.
1,005? 1,005?
1,005?
Yeah.
Like
2,000?
2,000 every month?
Maybe. Yeah.
No, you're wrong.
Less.
6.
900?
No, they make
500.
300 every month.
Yeah. Jamaica too. Yeah.
Bali or just Indonesia?
Indonesia.
$5,000.
$5,000?
Yeah.
No,
$2,000? $1,000?
it's $300 a month.